So I tried out the PurePod produce cleaner after seeing it all over social media, and here's the honest take. It's a small, rechargeable puck that uses electrolysis in water to clean your fruits and vegetables. The marketing shows this really dramatic, cloudy, dirty-looking water, which honestly makes it feel like it's pulling out tons of pesticides and bacteria. But here's the reality. That cloudiness is mostly just a reaction with minerals in the water, not necessarily dirt coming off your produce. It does help loosen some surface debris, so your fruits and veggies do look a bit cleaner afterward, but it's not doing anything magical. It won't remove pesticides that have already absorbed into the skin, and there's no solid independent research proving the big 99% pesticide removal claims. So is it worth it? Honestly, it's convenient but not essential. You can get very similar results for free using a simple mix of cold water and baking soda, soaking your produce for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinsing. Bottom line, cool gadget, but not a must-have.